The past perfect continuous, also known as the past perfect progressive, is a verb tense used to describe an action that started in the past and continued up until another point in the past. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb had in the past perfect tense, followed by been and the present participle of the main verb, ing. The structure of the past perfect continuous is as follows. Subject plus had plus been plus present participle, ing. For example, 1. She had been studying for 3 hours when her friends arrived. 2. I had been working on the project all morning before I took a break. The past perfect continuous is often used to describe an action that was ongoing in the past and was interrupted by another action or event. It can also be used to describe the duration of an action that began in the past and continued up until a specified point in the past. Here are some more examples. 1. They had been living in New York for 5 years before they moved to Los Angeles. 2. He had been playing tennis for 2 hours when it started to rain. 3. We had been waiting for the train for over an hour when it finally arrived. In general, the past perfect continuous is used less frequently than other tenses, such as the past simple or past continuous. However, it is a useful tense for describing actions that were ongoing in the past and had a specific duration. Examples of past perfect continuous tense. Here are some examples of sentences using the past perfect continuous tense. 1. She had been working at the company for 10 years before she decided to quit. 2. They had been waiting for the bus for over an hour when it finally arrived. 3. I had been studying for the exam all week, but I still didn't feel prepared. 4. He had been living in the city for 5 years before he decided to move to the countryside. 5. We had been walking for hours when we finally reached the summit of the mountain. 6. They had been renovating their house for months before they could move in. 7. She had been practicing the piano for hours before the concert. 8. He had been running every day for a year before he completed his first marathon. 9. They had been dating for 3 years before they got engaged. 10. We had been saving money for a long time before we could afford to go on vacation.